So far, you've experimented with building simple two-step Zaps with one trigger and one action. But in Zapier, you can also build workflows with multiple steps. We call them multi-step Zaps, which are available on our paid plan. Multi-step Zaps are useful if you need to automate multiple actions from one trigger.
For example, let's say we have a Zap that sends a text to anyone that responds to my type form. That would be a two-step Zap because it only has one trigger and one action.
But what if you also want to receive an email? To add another step to this workflow, just click the plus sign in the Zap editor, add your action, customize your event, and map your data where you'd like it to go. Now we have a multi-step Zap. But before you dive into building a multi-step Zap, it's helpful to map out ahead of time how you would want it to work. Think about what kickstarts your automation. What comes next? What's the last thing the Zap should do? Does step 3 need information from step 4? Or do you want to switch it up? Just like you would for a traditional Zap, put some thought into what you're automating and why, and make sure the information is in the proper place. Keep in mind that order matters with multi-step Zaps. When the Zap runs, it'll go through each step in the order shown in the Zap editor. You can rename each step and add a description so it's easier to understand what's going on. Adding multiple actions into a Zap isn't the only way to take advantage of multi-step Zaps. You can add in steps called filters or search actions too. More on that in the next lesson. With Zapier, you can build workflows as complex as you need them in order to get the job done.